next word is devotion. Loyalty. Love towards someone or something. Dedication. John D. Rockefeller had devotion to his business. He loved his business. John D. Rockefeller had devotion to his business. That's what put him at the highest ranks in history. Devotion, loyalty, dedication. Cristiano Ronaldo's devotion and hard work made him one of the best football or soccer players of all time. Next word is retain. Retain is a verb and it means to keep or hold something you can use in the future, maintain or possess. You sweat too much when you run because your body retains a lot of water. They built the Hoover Dam to retain the water of Colorado River. Retain, maintain, or possess. A secret agent should retain a lot of information. The next word is collide. Collide is a verb which means crash. When two things, people or ideas crash together, they collide. Two cars collided in the crossroad as one of them didn't stop in front of the red light. When two planets collide, it's a catastrophic event. So when two planets crash together, it's a catastrophic event. Collide, crash. Their ideas collided, causing a long conversation until they came to an agreement. Collide, crash.